friends, I'm Bo. Let's get our brains and bodies ready to read. Do you love letters? Yes, I do too. Do you know something neat about letters? Every letter has a big letter and a small letter. Do you want to meet a letter today? Yes? Okay, let's meet the letter L. These words start with L. Lime, lion, and lake. Lime, lion, and lake all start with L. Great job! Would you like to draw the letter L with me? Yes? Okay. Which one would you like to draw first? The big L or the little L? Okay, let's draw the big L first. Draw a line, give it a foot. You did a great job, stand nice and tall. Great job drawing the big L. Now let's draw the little L. Draw a line, that's it, that's all. You did a great job, now stand nice and tall. Thank you for learning and moving with us. Bye for now.